Wonderful to have you all back. Thanks so much for clicking on this and finding out what we've got in store for you in our second collaborative workshop on helping us maintain a focus on our dreams and goals in 2023. So you may have started out with all the excitement and energy in January, those New Year's resolutions or just your goals and what are you going to do this year to make this a difference. And as we discussed in January in our first workshop, by the end of Jan, so many, 90% of people have forgotten about them. And it's just become a fantasy. Well, LinkedIn recently did a survey and they showed that 42% of people started the year off without any dreams and goals. And based upon all the statistics available for us about how important it is to focus on these, that's a great shame. And let's see if we can do something about that in helping you progress forward. So if you are sitting in that position where you're now struggling and life has just happened and you're wondering, how can I move forward? Well, you're in the right place. Click the link below, register today. And remember, there's only a limited number of seats that we run on this in order to make it really, really exclusive. It's first come, first serve. I hope by now you've seen above this video the 3 amazing speakers who are going to be joining me in our virtual stage. Some great people that I've known for many years as well. Here to just serve and share from our hearts, our knowledge, our experience, to uplift, inspire, give you some tips and tools and some traits and things that you can actually take away with you and apply into your life. And it's not only about what we're doing in this 2 hours a month on our last Thursday of every month where we share. It's also about staying connected on the private Facebook group. So make sure that once you've registered, you get the link, you register on that Facebook group, you connect with a community of like-minded people from all over the world, as well as the speakers where you can interact directly with them as we're here to serve and share with you through the entire year. Also, the recording's there. So if for whatever reason you miss it, South Africa, the power cuts, whatever it is, you can then pick up the recording from that private group. That's also there for you. And we do this all for free for you. So register now. Let's get together to reignite those dreams and those goals. You're in the right place. Stay focused, stay motivated. I look forward to meeting you all on Thursday evening, the 23rd at 7 p.m. South Africa time. Until then, I'll see you soon.